Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get Marvel Snap Twitch drops easily. First, you'll need to link your Twitch account to your Marvel Snap game. Head over to the official Marvel Snap website and find the account linking section. Follow the simple steps to connect both accounts. It's a quick process that ensures you're eligible for all those exciting in-game rewards. Make sure to confirm that the linking was successful before moving on. Once your accounts are linked, the next step is to start watching eligible Marvel Snap streams on Twitch. Look for streams that clearly display the Drops Enabled tag, usually found right below the stream's title. Watching these specific streams will contribute to your watch time, which is how you earn the drops. The longer you watch, the more opportunities you'll have to unlock various in-game rewards. After you've accumulated enough watch time and earned some drops, you'll need to claim them. Head to your Twitch inventory or the Drops and Rewards section on Twitch. You'll see your earned Marvel Snap drops listed there. Simply click to claim them, and they will automatically be sent to your Marvel Snap game. Remember to check your in-game inbox or collection for your new items. If you're having trouble receiving your drops, first ensure you have a stable internet connection and that your Marvel Snap game is fully updated. Sometimes, simply relinking your Twitch and Marvel Snap accounts can resolve issues if drops aren't appearing. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers to make your meal prep easy, along with other great deals. Happy gaming, and enjoy your new Marvel Snap rewards.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.